Hello students, you're welcome back to the channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. Yeah, this is the continuation of a series of lessons on sets, SURDS. In the previous video or lesson, we looked at solved examples and exercises. Yes, we look at solved examples and exercises. In this video, we are going to look at what solved final exam questions and what and examples. Solved final exam questions and what examples. As we said, the name of this channel is what get understanding, don't memorize. So, in order to become a guru in maths, you have to what solve 101 questions, as many as solve as many as questions as you can. That will enable you get exposed to a lot of what questions, different style of what questions. That's why. So you have to solve more examples. So we are looking at what solve final exam question and what example. These are WASSCE exam questions. Okay, so this is what question. It is an objective. It's an objective of commerce objective questions. Commerce objective. Okay, so we are saying that what commerce or general mathematics. This is question objective number 8. So given that square root of 3 plus square root of 5 all over 5 is equal to x plus y root 15. Find the value of what x plus y. So how do you find the value of x plus y? This is not difficult at all. We have to first of all find x and we find y, and then we sum them. So this is what we are given. How do we solve this? This is what fractional set or division of what set. So to be able to solve this, we have to rationalize. We have to rationalize the denominator. And we learned that to be able to rationalize the denominator of a fractional set, first of all, we have to look at the what? Look at it, find the conjugate of the denominator. So what is the denominator? Here the denominator is square root of 5. And what is the conjugate of square root of 5? Which is the denominator? Is the same as what square root of 5 as we learned earlier. Yes, because we said that in general, if you have what we are given a set x over square root of n, then the conjugate of this denominator square root of n is the same as what? It is the same square root of n. So here the conjugate of the denominator, which is square root of 5, is what square root of 5. Therefore, we solve this. This is given by how we have square root of what 3 plus square root of what 5 all over what square root of 5. This is the question we are giving. Okay, so this is equal to what the same thing. Write the same thing. Square root of what 3 plus square root of 5 all over square root of what 5. This is the question. We have not done anything to it. Then we multiply the numerator and the denominator by what the conjugate of the denominator, which is what so square root of 5, then divided by square root of what 5. So this is what we get. And multiply the numerators together. So over here, yes. So this is we get what this is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Okay, what times what square root of 5. Okay, all over square root of 5 times what square root of what 5. That's what we have. So this is equal to what? So this means that this is the same as what, because we have x times y, the same as y times what x. So this one I'll bring this one, the amount of bring the square root of 5 first. So this is the same as what square root of 5, then to bracket what square root of 3 plus what square root of 5. Okay, yes, this is what we have. And then all over square root of 5 times square root of 5, then you get what 5, because this is square root of 25. Okay, fine. So this is, let us continue from here. So this is equal to what? So this one will multiply the real square root of 5 times square root of 3. That one will give us what square root of what 15. That is 5 times 3, 15 plus square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of what 25. This is what we have. All over this square root of 25 is what 5. Okay, so this is equal to square root of 15. Square root of 15 plus square root of 25 is what is 5. All over what? All over 5. Okay, yes. So this is what we have. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, them. You can rearrange this. This is the same as what? You can just change the position of this. So this is the same as x plus y is equal to y plus x. So you can say that square root of 15 plus 5 is the same as what? 5 plus what? Square root of 15. You can write it as this all over what? All over 5. Then you can break it. You can break them. So this is equal to what? You get this is the same as 5 over 5. Okay? Then plus square root of what? Square root of 15 over what? Over 5. Which is equal to 5 over 5, so which is 1. Have you seen? 1 plus what? 1 plus this is the same as what? Okay, 1 we get 1 plus what? Square root of 15 over what? Over 5. Okay, so this is the same as what? Which is the same as 1 plus this is the same as 1 over 5. Hope you know that 1 over 5 square root of what? 15. This is what you get, which is of the form x plus what? S plus Y square root of what? Square root of 15. So what is S? So it means that S is equal to 1 and what? Y is equal to what? It's equal to 1 over 5. Have you seen? And then we are asked to find S plus Y. So what does it imply? So it implies that S plus Y is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 over 5. So if you find LCM, 1 plus 1 over 5, LCM, we get what? 5 here. And then this is the same as over 1. 1 goes into 5, 5 times 1, get 5. Then plus 5 goes into 5 is how many times? 1. 1 times 1, 1. Have you seen? Then you get what? 5 plus 1 is equal to what? 6 over 5. 6, what is 6 over 5? 6 oranges, 5 people are going to share. Everybody will get 1, then they will remember 1. Have you seen? So you have 1 whole number, 1 over 5 as the final answer. So which one is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is what? Is B. Guys, I hope this is simple. We are just enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe if you are benefiting. If you find this interesting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Get understanding. No member. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. We have to solve more questions. So see you in the next video. Hello guys, you are welcome back. This is another objective question. We have to evaluate this. This is what WASSCE exam final exam questions. So this is what solve final exam questions and examples. This is the continuation. Okay, so we are asked to what evaluate this. So what is this is a fractional set. So as usual, what do we do? You find the conjugate of the denominator. What is the denominator? The denominator is what 2. The conjugate square root of 2. Sorry, the conjugate the same as what? The same square root of 2. So we have this. It implies that this given set 4 minus square root of 2 all over square root of 2 is equal to what? 4 minus square root of 2 all over square root of 2. This is the question. So you multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, which is the same thing. Then we divide it by what? By the conjugate of the denominator, which is the same thing. Okay? Yes. Okay, fine. So this is equal to what? This one will multiply. So this is the same as this. It is so yes, it's the same as what? 4 minus square root of what? Square root of 2. This is multiplying what? Square root of 2. And this one all about square root of 2 times square root of 2. Get this is 2. So we get square root of what? 4. So this one the same as what? You can bring this square root of 2 first, and then you change their in position. So minus square root of 2. This is what it means. Okay. So this is what? Over 2. So this is equal to then square root of 2 times 4. What do we get? We get 4 root what? 4 root 2. Then square root of 2 times square root of 2. This is negative. So negative square root of 4. Everything all over 2, which is equal to what? 4 root what? 4 root 2. And this is what? 2. All over 2. Okay. So you can divide 2 by what? By 2. You can separate them. So this is equal to what? 4 root 2 all over 2. I hope you know that. Minus 2 over 2. Have you seen? So this is, it means that they are multiplying. So 2 can go into, for how many times? 2 goes here. You get what? 2. So you get 2 times square root of 2. So 2 root 2. Then 2 can go into this minus 1 as your answer. Okay. So the answer is what? 2 root 2 minus 1. Which is this? The answer to us what? B. Hope guys are enjoying this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. In fact, this is understandable, enjoyable. Understanding is fun anyway, and it's powerful. Thank you for enjoying. See you in the next video. Hello students, you are welcome back. This is what get understanding, don't memorize. So this is the continuation of what? Of solve final exam questions and what? Examples on what? On sets, SURDS, okay? On sets, SURDS, on sets. Solve final exam questions and example. This is the continuation. Okay, so this is an objective question. Commerce, WASSCE, commerce final exam question. So we consider this one. This question. It says that if square root of 75 minus square root of 27 plus square root of 40 is equal to p root 3, find the value of what? Find the value of p. Okay, so yes, this one we have to simplify. So we know that this is not what? Simplified. In other words, not reduced. So we simplify this. Okay, so what is 75? Square root of 7. What is square root of what? 75. Square root 75 is the same as 25 times 3. Okay, so we look at what? We have to look for the highest perfect square, which is what? A factor of this. Yes, look for the highest perfect square, which is a factor of this. The highest perfect square, which is a factor of this. Okay, so 75, 25 times 3 will give us 75, and 9 times 3 will give us what? 27, and then 16 times 3 will also give us what? 48. Okay, so yes, so this is equal to what? This is equal to 75 is what? Square root of what? 25 times what? 25 times 3, and then minus square root of 27 is what? 9 times what? 3, which is 27, and then plus 48 is what? 16 times what? 3. So square root of this is what we have. Okay, yeah, so this is equal to what? We can separate. So this is the same as what? 25, then square root times what? Square square root of 3, then minus 12 square root of 9 times square root of what? 3, then plus, okay, plus square root of what? 16 times square root of 3. That's what we have. Remember when we were solving, looking at what? The properties of sets, okay? So this is what? 5 times square root of 3, minus square root of 9 is what? 3 times square root of what? 3, and then plus square root of 16 is what? 16 is 4. Have you seen? Square root of 16 times square root of what? Square root of 3. Okay. So what do we get? 5 times square root of 3. We get 5 with what? 5 with 3. This is minus 3 with what? 3 plus what? 4 with what? With 3. Okay. So this is the same as, it's equivalent to what? The same as saying that this is 5 root 3 the same as s. So 5s minus what? 3s plus what? 4s. This is what it means. Okay. So we get what? 9s minus 3. We get 6s. Have you seen this? So this is what we get. So it means that this is what we get. You get what? 5 with 3 plus 4 with 3. Get 9 with 3 minus 3 with 3. This is equal to what? 6 with what? 6 with 3. Have you seen? Which is equal to equivalent to p with what? P with 3. So what is p? P is equal to what? P is equal to 6. Okay. So we say find the value of p. What is the value of p? The value of p is 6, which is this. So the correct answer is what? C. Guys, hope you are enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you find this interesting. Yes, don't forget to handle. Have control over sets. Okay. It's not difficult at all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, students. Hello, students. You're welcome. Let us solve this simple. This is an objective question. This is what continues. For example, solve final exam questions. Okay, final exam questions and and examples. Examples. This is a continuation. Okay, so let's consider this question. Simplify. Suppose to simplify square root of what? 15 over square root of what? 50. So this is equal to the same as 15. Square root of 50 is the same as highest perfect square. The factor of this is what? 25. So this is 25 times what? 25 times 2. Okay. Yes. So you get this. This is what? 15 over. You can separate them. Get square root of what? 25. Okay. Times square root of what? 2, which is equal to what? 15 over square root of 25 or 5 times what? 5 times square root of 2. Okay. Yes. Then 5 can go into 15 3 times. Okay. So this is equal to 3 over square root of what? Over square root of 2. So we have to rationalize this, which is equal to what? Because you see this thing, you don't have any answer like that. So this is the same as what? The same as 3 over square root of 2 times what? Square root of 2 over square root of 2. Okay. So this is equal to what? 3 root 2 all over square root of 4. Okay. Which is equal to what? 3 root 2 all over square root of 4 is 2. Which is the same as what? 3 over 2 root what? Root 2. Okay. What is the answer? So the correct answer is what? C. Guys, this is understandable and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you, in fact, you are enjoying, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon so that if additional videos are uploaded, you will be notified automatically. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.